Hey everybody, and welcome back to another great episode of What's Cooking at Kooks. This week we're going to switch things up a little bit. We're going to show you actually how horsepower is made rather than the custom side of the fabrication. What you're looking at right now is our bending department. We have 5 CNC mandrel bending machines. We here at Kooks Custom Headers have the capabilities to bend from 5/8 stainless steel all the way up to 3.5-inch stainless steel. Now, what you're witnessing here is this is actually a primary being bent with one of our CNC mandrel bending machines. Now, these machines create tremendous amount of pressure to be able to bend stainless steel so effortlessly. Now, there's multiple different tools for each machine for multiple different sizes of pipes. Now, you're looking at an overview of our bending department. You can see all the stainless steel material that we have in stock, as well as all the machines. Next, what you're looking into, you're going to see into our, what we call our cut bend pipe inventory cage. Now, this is where everything is pre-staged prior to fabrication and assembly. We keep everything from flanges, O2 bungs, our patented velocity spike, all of the primaries that are bent up for each job accordingly to the vehicle that it's going to be assembled for. Also kept in the cage is our miscellaneous inventory, J-bends, 45, 90s, anywhere from 1.5" all the way up to 5" anywhere from aluminized to stainless. Now, what you're looking at here is pre-bent inventory. These pipes came into our building straight, went through the bending department. Now they're individual primaries for certain applications that we sell. Now, what happens is when fabrication or assembly receives a work order, Tyler, who's in charge of the cage, will go ahead and pull all the primaries, O2 bungs, collectors, our patented velocity spikes, and he stages it inside of manufacturing. Now, when the actual fabricator gets the product, it's right by his work area. He pulls it into his work area and assembly begins. Now, all of our product is assembled on fixtures. These are some of the fixtures that we have. We also have a different type of fixture now that you've seen in previous episodes. Everything is assembled on a fixture for a reason. This way, every time it leaves our facility, it's the exact same every single time. So there's no variation in fit and finish. We take pride in what we produce here. That's why we want to give you, the general public, the best that we could possibly give. Next, we're going to look into the assembly side of our manufacturing facility. This is where you'll see all the individual components from the cage that we showed you earlier, the cut bent pipe, the flanges, the patented velocity spike, O2 bungs, collectors, actually become finished goods. Now, one of the processes that we do here is all of the interior of our flanges are TIG welded, then hand ported. It's an industry standard. We set it. The reason why we do this is so there's no obstruction of exhaust flow when it's leaving the exhaust port. Now, what you'll see here is each guy has his own individual working station, kind of like their own fabrication office. What they'll do here is this is where all the product gets assembled on the fixtures, which you also saw earlier, to give it that precise fit that we here at Kooks Custom Headers has grown as the industry standard. Now, one of the things that also get completed here is the X pipes and the complete exhaust. Now, what you're looking at here, this is our latest employee. Great employee. Never called in sick, doesn't complain. This is a 5-axis Moto Man robotic welder. Now, guys, once everything is completed up to our standards in the manufacturing facility, it goes through one more process. That's the wiping down of the product and the boxing of the product. What you're looking at is this is shipping and receiving and quality control. They clean all the product and they inspect it for any imperfections that might have gone through our manufacturing facility where the fabricators didn't catch. Now, once everything is cleaned and wiped down, it's put into boxes and put into inventory. We've been thankful enough here at Kooks Custom Headers where we don't have that much standing inventory at the current time. There's such a demand for our product. So as soon as it's usually completed on the floor, it gets put on the shelves, then the shipping department goes ahead and pulls it, palletizes it to get it out to all of our dealers worldwide. We have over 400 dealers now, worldwide, guys. We have dealers in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and all over the great land that we're in today. Now, what you're seeing here is this is some images of some of the pallets that leave our facility. We ship on an estimated 40 to 60 sets of headers a day. Now, guys, we couldn't do it without the help of you, the automobile enthusiasts. So we here at Kooks Custom Headers would like to just say thanks. Stay tuned for another great episode of What's Cooking at Kooks.